So are you frustrated that the Heygen free plan says you can create 3 videos for free, but when trying to download after creating nothing just works? Well, that's what I'm going to showing you quickly. This is a quick solution showing you how to download with the new hidden download feature of Heygen AI. Now let's jump right in. So to begin, you want to go to Heygen AI to get started. Sign up if you don't already have an account, but if you do, just sign in and meet me on the dashboard. Now that we are on the dashboard, let's generate our character quickly. Then I will walk you through the new method of the download process. I have an image here I want to quickly animate as my avatar, so I'm going to use that. Go ahead and use whatever image you want to use. If you don't already have a character, you want to use Leonardo AI, Canva, Microsoft Copilot, or Lexica Art to generate your avatar. If you don't know how to use these AI tools, I made a separate video I linked on the screen right now that will walk you through how to use all these tools for free. To proceed, go ahead and click on avatar here, click photo avatar to use, and upload a photo. You want to select your image you want to use and wait for your image to upload. Now your photo is loaded in. Let's click on avatar here and select landscape. Now while in the workspace, click on script to generate your audio. Then go ahead and paste in your script. Next thing you want to do is click preview if you want to preview your script, but I'm just going to submit. Your video will be here processing, wait for it to be done. Now that our video is ready, let's go ahead and download. I'm just going to speed up the process. Problem now is if you try to download, they redirect you to the payment plans options first before you can download. Well, let's go ahead and fix that. Let's go back, click on the video like you want to preview it. Now what you want to click on customize. When your video preview is opened up, click on play to have the video playing. Then click on the 3 dots in the down right corner and choose the download option, and now your video will be downloaded to your PC. Let me preview that for you quickly. Now you can see the video is playing, but it has the Heygen AI watermark in the down right corner. So if you want to learn how to remove the watermark, I made a separate video here showing you how to remove the watermark from the background and enhance your video quality up to 4K completely free. You can click the link to watch. So that's it guys, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe if this video was helpful and if you're interested in contents like these so that you don't miss my next upload. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.